Yo, what's up everybody? Here with my first on-foot review for you guys. I did an unboxing of these Adidas Tokyo Solar Human Made collabs a while back, and I was super surprised how it got a bunch of views, and kind of spoke to the channel's theme of low heat. Like, I just thought, hyped new things would get a lot of views, but these actually got a ton of views when they were dropped, and I did an unboxing, and a lot of people were asking what these felt like, what the fit was like on foot, because I had said these looked amazing, and they do. As you can see, on feet, these are dope. I'll try to get some different angles. So I thought I'd do an on-foot review for you guys. I wore these green pair all last weekend on a little mini trip, and I wore these, and then I just put these on. This is the first time I put the white ones on, and they were dope. They look, here, let me stand up quick. So there they are standing up. They look amazing. Sometimes shoes look dope just on their own, but then you put them on feet, and when you look down, they just don't look as good. Prime example, the Nike SB Gatos. I love that shoe, the look of that shoe. I love that indoor soccer shoe, but on my foot they kind of look a little weird from the top down, and I just don't love them as much on my feet. These look both great off feet and then on feet. So that's the view from down. Here, let me see if I can get a side angle. So that's the look. That's the aesthetic. I wore one sock up high. Got my Stance Street Fighter Ryu's on, match the Japanese theme, and I got some no-show ankle socks on the left side. So that's the look. A look 10 out of 10. I dig these. I think these look amazing in any fit. So looks 10 out of 10. Let's get to some of the other points about it. Oh, another look thing. I didn't mention in my unboxing video, these laces are 3M. Now, maybe you knew from doing your research, but these laces are 3M. Extra cool hit when the light hits them. I dig that. I love 3M hits, and so laces are 3M. The fit, as far as the fit goes, super comfortable on foot. If you're Boost fans, obviously this uses that Boost technology. Super comfy on the bottom of your foot. Really loved them. Sorry, legs are a little dry. I should have lotioned them. Super comfy on foot. The gripping, oh man. Okay, so there's a quick thing. I'll stop right there. These are gonna get super dirty. I think that was from my finger just like touching the ground or the side of the house, and I already got like a dirt mark there. Anyways, I'll get to the downsides really in a bit. But as far as comfort goes, super comfy. Underfoot. Sometimes shoes wrap a little tight around the top. I just lace these a little looser, and they're pretty comfortable. Roomy toe box area. Again, up top can be tight, but you just, in my opinion, just lace them a little looser. People were asking about the heel tab. Didn't notice this at all. It's so flimsy. Like, sure, maybe there's something touching there that you're not used to, but like, it's so flimsy, it didn't bother me at all. It's like, unless you're super weird about that, like, this isn't gonna matter. Conversely though, speaking about being extra weird, I'm not used to like no tongues. So it was kind of weird not feeling a tongue there, and then kind of like having it doesn't cut in. Again, this is super soft. So like, unless you're just like really weird about tactile things, you're not going to notice it. I was just making a point of it because that's the point of on-foot reviews, all these little details. So the fit, super comfortable. Get to some downsides really quick. As you can see on the green pair, the dye rubs off. It came this way in the box. The dye rubs off really easily, so try to avoid getting these wet. This is just from being dry, it wore off, so that's a little downside. You can see on the toe here, like, I could see that over time coming off, but nothing a little shoe glue can't fix. So that is one downside. The heel driving, it's gonna get dirty. I mean, that's that case on all shoes, especially with white midsoles, so that's nothing that new. These, as you can see, as I already pointed out, me just touching the side of my house here, the paneling, got some dust on there. So these are going to dirty up real fast, but I love white shoes, even though they do get dirty. It's just something I live with. I try to keep them clean as best as possible without being super weird about it. So I love white shoes, even though they do get dirty. So that's something mindful to keep in mind. If you are worried about that, just go with the green pair. Just know that the green pair bleeds a little bit. Like if you have like good socks and it's get wet, I'm sure this is going to bleed. Laces might bleed. I don't know. You can wash them. I like that little ankle collar leather around the edge here. That's them from the back. Or just try to get a quick couple more angles for you. Let me get up again. Yeah, I'm gonna go upside down on you so you can see. But I think these go with anything. Joggers, some jeans, rolled up cuff. On the jeans, they go great with shorts. I wore them with shorts all weekend pretty much. Sweatpants. These are just really classy. Here's them in the shade. Here's them. I'll do a little walk around for you guys. Just sorry, I'm wearing sweatpants. I just jacked them up so you can see them better. But yeah, I think these are super sick. Highly recommend. I think these definitely did not sell out, so some sites might have some sales, some discount codes you can use on them. They're in stock. Yeah, a little pricey, but you know, the construction quality on them is dope. So that's part of the reason that they're a little more expensive. I think they're like around 200. There's a little honeybee. Anyways, please, do you like these on foot reviews? Let me know in the comments if you want more, and then please subscribe and follow per usual to keep doing more of these low heat videos. All right, thanks guys. Watch the next video.